I'm Mindy Lockard, and on today's Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, I'm sharing my favorite mom holiday hack for teachers' gifts, friends and family get-togethers, or just simple gifts for others. And let's just say, it's totally cookie cutter. Today, I'm joined by my nephew, Gavin.
Hi.
And we are sharing my favorite tips for holiday sugar and gingerbread cookies, right?
Yes.
One of my favorite things to do is to pick up plain sugar and gingerbread cookies from the Market of Choice Bakery, and then you can decorate them at home, because decorating really is the best part, right?
Yes.
So Gavin and I have gathered some cookie decorating supplies. Gee, what do we have here?
We have frosting, M&Ms, and sprinkles.
So one of the things that I always love to do is use cheese knives because it's easier to handle and it's also easier to spread the frosting where you want it to go on the cookie. Now don't feel like you have to be perfect. However, if you are wanting a more intricate design on your cookie, do a thin layer of frosting first and let that dry before you add the design elements on top. If you're giving these as a gift, simply place the decorated cookie into a clear bag and attach with one of these cute gift tags. You can print them directly from the Market of Choice holiday website. Just click on the link. And voila, your family is going to love decorating and you're going to love the extra time you have to spend with them. Right, Gavin?
Yes.
Let's try it. Should we give them a try? Cheers.
For more Gracious Kitchen recipes, visit the blog at marketofchoice.com.
Because the best place to connect with your kids is in the car and the kitchen.